Online school during lockdown has been hard on all of us, especially when we've become used to attending classes like this. It's normal to feel stressed, demotivated, and burnt out in these circumstances. In this video, I'm going to show you a day in my life attending online class and tips to stay productive and motivated.
I think I've gone crazy on the way, 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 crazy on the way, on the way.
I look dead right now, but can you hear that? That is exactly what I imagine hell sounds like. Wait, I'm just gonna turn that off. The first thing that I do after getting out of bed is obviously I brush my teeth, and after that I just wash my face and I moisturize. Don't forget to moisturize, my skin gets really dry otherwise. I put my contacts in. I actually don't like contacts, I prefer my glasses, but I've been loving my colored ones lately. Moving on to my morning coffee, I need my coffee or a fruit before gym, otherwise I get really nauseous on an empty stomach. Then I just change into my workout outfit and I'll see you guys at the gym. I just got out of the shower. I feel fresh. I have my contacts in. I don't feel like getting back into bed, which is honestly rare in the morning. What I like to do these days is get ready just a little bit. It's not realistic for me to wake up and do a full face of makeup and wear a cute outfit for online class at 8 a.m. It's just not happening for me. So what I do is like subtle makeup, maybe like a messy bun. I'll put on a cute top. I say this from experience. If you wake up like 2 minutes before class and you're sitting there like half awake in your pajamas, your day is gonna start off really badly. You're gonna feel demotivated. You're not gonna understand anything that's going on in class. You're probably gonna fall back asleep. Getting ready in the morning really sets the tone for the rest of your day. Don't get me wrong, I have days where I wake up 2 minutes after class has started and I'm just sitting there looking like a sloth. But honestly, it's all about time management and discipline, which I'm trying very hard to inculcate into my life because I am so bad with time management. Like, I procrastinate everything. For anyone who does not know this, I am studying fashion communication and style, but last year was my foundation year, which is basically all the design subjects like combined. Now I'm in my second year and I get to choose my specialization, which is fashion communication and style. I'm taking 6 classes this semester. Also spray the perfume that you usually wear when you go outside. It subconsciously like affects your mind. Okay, I'm ready. This is the finished look and I'm probably not gonna wear my hair like this, but I'm just gonna go make breakfast now and I will see you guys in class. This is what our breakfast looks like. We have some scrambled eggs with mushrooms, onions and cheese, and I just sauteed and steamed some broccoli and carrots and added like a little bit of garlic seasoning. It makes all the difference in the world. Then I just topped it off with a bit of cucumbers because I don't like to saute those. And yeah, this is super easy, super quick, and it's really good for your body. Before class starts, I like to quickly check and update my schedule and to-do list for the day. I use this organization app called Notion. It's very popular with lifestyle YouTubers and it's one of the best productivity apps out there. I have all my plans and ideas in one place, from college work to content to social events. I just check my assignments for the class and my work mail 5 minutes before class starts. Okay, so we're almost done with class. I have like 15 minutes left. I'm so scared that like I'm not muted. My camera's off for 2 minutes. I have an assignment for this class which I'm not that excited about. This is actually my last class for this week because from next week I have a 2-week BA exam break. Okay, so it's 2 hours after class and I'm currently doing this assignment where we have to look at models and magazines, and then we have to draw like rough line figures so that we understand the structure and how to draw different poses and forms in illustration. We're starting off with like basics of illustration and designing. We have to make like 15 of these and I'm just done with 2 right now. Last summer I was actually teaching myself how to do fashion illustration, so I did a couple of them. If you follow me on Instagram you must have seen them. So this was the Jacquemus one. I saw this on Instagram, and this was just the Chanel fall 2020, the Gigi Hadid look, and this was Chanel 1995. Oh my god, like what is that? My proportions were way off because I was just starting out, but I'm actually excited to learn the proper proportions and then I can perfect it. And I just got out of the shower. Like I took a really nice relaxing hot shower. I'm so tired. I've honestly had such a long day. Like I said earlier, my friends are coming over and we're just gonna go pick up some food and then we're gonna bring it back to my place and just hang out here and have game night because restaurants are not really open right now past 4 for dine in. Also, can we take a moment to like appreciate my skin? I'm literally wearing no makeup and it's doing me so good. Also, like I should just take off my glasses because I need to do some skincare. My skin is so dry right now. It's like during winter my skin gets drier and usually I have really oily skin. Is it just me or do you feel this horrible shift of energy from July to August? Like the energy just dropped. I don't know what happened. I had such a beautiful July and then August just flew by. The weather is not helping. Like I wake up and it's freaking raining outside all the time and that's just not helping me or anybody else because we're already feeling demotivated and unproductive and locked down, and then you just open your curtains and you see grey gloomy skies. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I am actually so late. It is literally 8:55. I will see you guys downstairs after I'm ready. So the place that we wanted to go to is closed, of course, but we found another place that's open, so we're going there now. Shan, how has your week been going?
Yeah, ruk ja thoda yaar. My week was pretty mundane. Just had college throughout the week, no time for anything else.
Wait, how long are you and Ashan seeing each other after?
I think 7 years.
What?
Last time we had a proper convo was like 5th grade.
We just ordered a shit ton of food. We're waiting for it right now. Hi. You look so cute. Rahel's first time hanging out with my school gang. Rahel, how are you feeling?
A burger is like heaven between two buns. Hope you enjoy the delicious and juicy meal. Happy weekend.
We got 2 cottage cheese harissa burgers. These are 2 texture chicken burgers. I don't know what that is, but this is a classic chicken one. That is cheese fries and those are just peri peri fries. The workaholic of our group, Arjun. ये मेरा birthday है. ये अगले महीने नहीं आएगा.
हम अगले महीने भी तो जा सकते हैं यार.
It's my birthday, Arjun.
I know.
ये अगले महीने नहीं आएगा.
What?
कोचलिन कारकी केकलर.
CHI. No, CHL.
There's coach and the real pronunciation is Kekla.
Nobody knew that. Nobody knew that her name is pronounced like that.
You play more than one card at a time.
Why?
You
You can end on a thing.
you can end with an action card also.
Unless two people.
I'm not right. I'm very good.
So it's currently 12 at midnight and the last 2 people just left. I am so exhausted. My arm hurts so badly from the vaccine. I can feel my whole body begin to hurt and I'm so scared I'm gonna get a fever. But meeting my friends was so good. Like I met them after so long. Before COVID, like all of us used to chill at my house and like meet up so often and just, you know, hang out. But we haven't done that for almost like 2 years and we did it after so long and it was just so wholesome and we had so much fun. Everyone was laughing. I feel like we used to take all these experiences for granted like all the time, but just like playing Uno and getting food with my friends now is so much fun to me. Anyways, so that is all I have for you guys this vlog and I really hope you had fun watching it because I really did have a good day and I love sharing it with you guys. This was like a more casual vlog as opposed to like the last few videos I've uploaded. Let me know if you like more casual day in my life vlogs or like you want like more themed videos, if that makes sense. All my links are down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and I will see you guys in my next video.